Pablo, representing the Time Lords. Our SDLC was extreme programming. Now, extreme programming was the approach that was developed by pushing recognized good practices like iterative development to extreme levels. In this following figure, we see the XP release cycle process to produce an increment of the system that is being developed. Extreme programming reflects the principles of the Agile Manifesto, and the XP principles are listed here. They include collective ownership, continuous integration, incremental planning, on-site customer, pair programming, refactoring, simple design, small releases, sustainable pace, and test-driven development. The product that we chose comes from Crisp Solution, now known as Crisp Systems, which is a company based in India that is focused on providing novel applications to retail customers. The name of their point-of-sale product is called Crisp POS Systems. The company developed a web-based cloud retail product that functions to assist in selling products, providing customer promotions, tracking inventory, managing staff, and generating business reports. The following screen displays what the POS system can look like for a given business. In this, we see a typical register. At the top left, there are different types of purchasing categories. Moreover, customers have different options for payment, such as cash, credit cards, or certificates, things that you would typically see at any given retail business. Moreover, for administrative functions, Crisp provides an admin dashboard to provide an overview of the operations, reports, and metrics. In the center of the screen, we see one metric called profitability, which displays which item is the best selling or worst performing. These are just some of the features of the Crisp POS system. It is meant to be a true one-stop shop for a business retailer. Now, moving on to some examples of how Crisp follows extreme programming principles. First, the CEO had direct contact with the customer. Customers were available for direct communication twice a month. The rest was by phone calls and email. Secondly, the CEO also initiated the planning game every week, which was at least once every 4 days. Finally, the paired programming technique was adopted whereby both developers work together. After task completion, both of the developers reviewed the code with the CEO. Now moving on to examples of how Crisp deviated from extreme programming principles. There was no evidence that the team wrote or planned any unit tests before any functionality was implemented. Secondly, the company began as a part-time business, employing people that were already working on other major IT or in other major IT organizations. The team worked on a continuous design improvements, which were about 12 to 15 per month. But given that the employees were already working at other business, it's undeterminable if the pace they placed was sustainable or if they met the requirements. Here's our list of resources. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.